And this latest update is how you can start to claim extra Over Protocol token from OKX wallet that you have linked your Over wallet into. If you are yet to successfully link your Over wallet to OKX Web3, then watch my video that pop-ups in this video right away. At this point, it is necessary to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, as this channel is about feeding you with best updates on top crypto airdrops, making money online through your phone, and much more. Join the league of best viewers to enjoy best content from this channel. So like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. On the latest event on the Over wallet is the OBT Season 2, that when you tap on the OKX Over in the settings section of the Over app, the request to join Quest and Get Over, while the third option is to claim 10 extra Over token daily and transfer it to your Over wallet. In this video, I will walk you through how this works in a simple form. First, you need to verify your Over wallet account through OKX Web3 wallet. Open your OKX and tap on the wallet. Then click on Discovery and tap on Cryptopedia at the top of the app. Scroll to the Over Protocol and tap on Reward Potential Airdrop. Click on the Over Protocol logo below, that's the second logo that you can see on the screen, and tap on Claim 10 Over Daily. That is the one that shows the completed, and a new interface like this will be displayed for you. Tap on Get Start, so claim the 10 Over token, and that's all. You need to come and do this every day to earn yourself free 10 Over token daily. Then what next? What is next according to the instruction on the Over wallet app is that you need to make transfer your token from the OKX into the Over wallet, and see the steps to follow. 1. Go to the Over wallet and copy your wallet address at the top corner of the app. Go back to OKX Web3, tap on Home and scroll down and see the 10 Over token that has already been claimed, which is now being added on this page, as you can see. So tap on Over and Send. Paste the copied wallet address and confirm, and that's all. Go to Over wallet to check your balance, and you can see that this has been increased. You can now stake to earn yourself more token. I hope this helped. Send this to your crypto group, friends, and don't forget to watch my new updates by subscribing, liking, and turning on the notification bell. See you in my next top video. Thank you.